Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hut and welcome to the next topic of Go for beginners, which is how to declare multiple variables in Go. So in Go, it is possible to declare the multiple variables on the same line, right? So let's create a multiple variable. So let's say we use a very simple, which is a var keyword. So I will say var and I will say a, comma b, comma c, right? And let's give a type, let's say int, and then we assign the values, let's say 1, comma 2, comma 3. So this is how we can declare multiple variables on a single line. Now, if you see here carefully, we added the type keyword, and in var we can also use the inferred data types as well. So in that case, we can use the other types also. So if you provide a type, then all the variable must be of the same type. But if you want a different data types also, then that is also possible here. So let's create that as well. So I will say var d, comma e, comma f. And here we do not provide any type and we will provide the values. Let's say this is int, then e will be of type, let's say string, right? And f will be of type boolean, let's say true. Okay. So this is how we can create the multiple variables of a different data type as well. So whenever you are not specifying any type keyword, then you can declare a multiple type of a variable on a same line as well. So same you can also do with equal to sign, right? So let's see how we can do that. So I will say x, comma y, and then we will use colon equal to sign, and I will give some value, let's say 45, which is of type int, and let's say hello, this is of type string. So this is how you can create a multiple variable using colon equal to sign as well. Now in Go, there is one more provision to create the multiple variables inside the block. So let's see how we can create the multiple variable inside the block. So we will use var keyword. So I will say var and we create a block. So this is a block and then you can simply create a variable. Let's say I will say name, which is of type string, right? Then age, which is of type int, and then salary, which is of type float, right? So this is basically the declaration block. So this is a very nice feature provided by the Go. So whenever you are going to develop the bigger application where there are a lot of variables required in a single method, then in that case, you can group the related variables into the block. Okay, so this is one of the very good feature which I find in a Go. So I hope you understand the concept of how to declare multiple variables as well as how to create a declaration block in a Go. If you have any questions or queries, you can add it in the comment section below and I will try to provide the answer as early as possible. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next one.